Hello guys, in this video we will be learning how to use an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino UNO board. We'll be using this HC04 ultrasonic sensor. Let's see the pins on this. It has 4 pins: ground, echo, trigger and VCC. So there are 4 pins that we need to connect, that's all. And you can see this eye-like things on the sensor. One is a transmitter and another is a receiver. This one transmits an ultrasonic wave which hits up the object and bounces back, which the receiver eye receives, and then the time taken for the transmission and the reception is recorded in the timer in the Arduino. Using that we calculate the distance of the object. So let's see the connection part. The ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor goes to the ground on the Arduino, and then the VCC pin on the HC04 goes to the plus 5 volts on the Arduino. Then the trigger and the echo pins. Trigger pin will go to pin number 8 and echo pin to pin number 7. You can use any pins you want using pin number 7 and 8. That's all with the connection part. Let's power it up. Now let's look at the code. This is the code. We are declaring the variables echo pin and the trigger pin, as we have connected the trigger pin to pin 8 and the echo pin to 7, and a variable declaration called long. Variable duration centimeter and inches we are declaring. Then in the void setup we are initializing the trigger pin to output and echo pin to input, and we establish a serial communication between the serial port and the Arduino with a baud rate of 9600. In the void loop, initially we create 2 microsecond pulse, that is, we make the trigger pin go low for 2 microsecond and high for 4 microsecond and again low. So actually we are creating 4 microsecond input pulse that produces an ultrasonic wave and gets transmitted and hits the object and is received by the receiver eye on the sensor. Then duration is equal to pulse in echo pin high. Pulse in command starts the timer on the Arduino, so it records the duration of the transmission and the reception of the ultrasonic wave, and hence we have got the duration. So the total duration has to be divided by 2, as it is the total time taken for the transmission and the reception of the ultrasonic wave, and then we divide it by a constant 29.1 to get the distance in the centimeters. To get the distance in the inches, we divide it by 74. So to see the readings on the serial port, we print it on the serial monitor, Serial.println centimeter, and the unit we put it in the double quotes, centimeter and inches, and the units, and the delay of 1000 1000, that is 1 second. So that's all with the code. The code is available in the description below, you can get it. So let's switch on the serial monitor. It's showing 32 and 12 inches, I have a scale setup over here. You can have a look. You can see on the screen it's showing 14 centimeter. That's where the object I have placed. As I move closer to the sensor, the distance decreases on the serial monitor. You can see I placed the object at distance of 8 centimeter from the sensor, and the serial monitor shows it, say 8 centimeter, and the serial monitor shows 8 centimeter and the inches also. So this is how you